Thank you for joining me again for AmazonSellersLawyer.com insider information, where I get to share with you what we know from helping thousands and thousands of sellers every year. ABH Pharmaceutical, I've been talking about this for about a week now. They manufacture products for sellers all over the United States. And what they seem to have done is given your emails to Amazon, who is then shutting down your listings.
Jason here, Rosenbaum. It's been about 2 weeks now since the ABH PHARMA FDA recall debacle that's been affecting sellers worldwide. We have seen significant teamwork and cooperation from Amazon and from ABH PHARMA. Our legal team has been able to obtain the letters that Amazon has requested, oftentimes within 24 to 48 hours, so that we can submit the appeals to get the suspended listings up immediately. However, Amazon's legal team has been less productive and cooperative when it comes to making amends for the FDA recall letters that went out to customers falsely, to the refunds that went out to clients falsely, and essentially just assisting them in rebuilding the brand. It's looking like for most of these cases at this point that we are going to have to pursue arbitration to really push Amazon's hand and expedite the matter.
If you suffer one of these listing suspensions, if your account has any blemishes at all because of ABH Pharmaceutical, contact us. Pick up the phone and call us. Inauthentic suspensions have always been the #1 cause of listing suspensions and account suspensions. You need to know what should be on invoices when you're sourcing your products, what you should have in terms of the identification of the distributor you're buying products from, how your name and your address and your email and your phone number should be listed on that invoice, how the product should be described on the invoice, what should be on the invoice and what should not be on the invoice. And we have tons of free information for you at our website, AmazonSellersLawyer.com. Sellers is plural, lawyer is singular. Brand protection for private label sellers starts with building something into your product that takes the sale of your product outside of the legal doctrine called the first sale doctrine, okay? Now, generally, first sale doctrine says that anybody can buy and then resell your product without the brand's permission, without your permission if you're a private label seller, as long as the consumer is receiving a product that is not materially different. So if you're a third-party seller, you got to make sure the consumer is receiving the same thing. If you're a private label seller, you want to build something into your warranty, an add-on, copyright material, a service, something that a hijacker cannot deliver. That's what we do for private label sellers. That's how you do brand protection the right way. Intellectual property right issues, okay? If you are selling textbooks, Cengage, McGraw-Hill, and Pearson have been absolutely relentless against sellers. They accuse you of selling counterfeit products. Sometimes they are accurate. Many times they are simply wrong. The biggest problem when it comes to textbooks comes that the counterfeit textbooks are often an extremely higher quality, better fonts, better richness in the ink, the pictures are more clear than the genuine products. A lot of the counterfeit books are coming out of India, which is where the dyes and the inks are created. So the coloration is actually better on the counterfeits. So it's a major problem for the publishers, and I think it's a major problem for sellers because you are often at risk of getting baseless complaints. Our phone number should be imposed right now, right below me, by our incredible video editor, Arthur. Call us for a free consultation for any issue that you face as an Amazon seller or as an Amazon private label brand owner. We are here for sellers. Scroll down right to our video editor, Arthur. Write, "Hey Arthur," like the old kids show. "Hey Arthur, send me a copy of," we can send you the trademark book, we can send you a book about copyright law for sellers, we can send you the latest information about suspensions and our book to prevent suspensions. Whatever you need, we can send you. You just gotta leave me a comment that starts with, "Hey Arthur, send me the books." Thank you for joining me for AmazonSellersLawyer.com insider information.